Okay, were you going to do your usual trick or not? You going to fix the mirror up or not? Hey?
You'd probably say no. I'll wait till you turn it off, then I might.
You're not going to do the mirror? Hello?
How you doing, Benson? Hey? Yeah.
So I've got the mirror flat. That's the way you do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then
He pushes it around himself.
yeah.
Give the mirror a bit of a poke. You might move it.
Come on. Come on.
He's going to misbehave today.
Benson, what is wrong with you? Come on, I'm videoing you to show my mum. This is not good.
What are you doing? Come on. You want to play? Come on then. Your turn. Yeah, it's your turn. Come on. Yeah. You don't want to play today? Hey?
Here we go. Right, okay.
Yeah. Your turn. Come on. Yeah, it's your turn. Your turn. Come on.
Is that funny?
You know, he plays with you all the time.
Yeah, I know. He's in a mood today, isn't he? Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. Now we're getting into the spirit of things. Yeah.
Hey?
I wonder if it is the camera putting him off. Took a while, only took two minutes for him to get into the swing of it again. Yeah.